Hi everyone. I visited Dollywood on September 28th and I have a construction update for Big Bear Mountain in Wildwood Grove. First, let's take a look at the area across from the giant tree swing. Let's check it out. First thing I noticed was that this building on the right was just a foundation a month ago, and now the framework's finished. I'm not sure what this will be used for, but it could be a utility building for the pumps and electric, or it could end up being a gift shop. Not sure. It looks like the rest of the foundation for the rock work is progressing along. Let's look at the area right behind Black Bear Trail Ride. This area is the end of the second launch and the beginning of the third launch. Here you can see work is continuing on the forms for the footers, and it looks like some grading work is still going on the hillside over there. This is near the queue for frogs and fireflies. This is closer to the launches, and you can see there's more of the same work going on here. Footers being prepped, etc. Let's take a look at the second half of the ride. This will be the station area, waiting areas, maintenance shed, and the below-grade tunnel underneath the pathway. As you can see, lots of work continues. I don't see any track pieces, but Dollywood has said that it's there. I would expect to see track going into place pretty soon. Looks to me like there's some columns going up either at the station or the maintenance shed. Let's take a look back at this site throughout the 2022 season. Let's take another look at the animated POV of Big Bear Mountain. Be sure to follow my blog and my YouTube page to keep up with my construction updates. If you want to watch my video from Dollywood's Harvest Festival and check out all other Halloween stuff, then click on the suggested video now. Till next time.